temptation pressing me. First Adam gave in, after that Abraham, Noah did, Moses did, many men before them. Yes, even Israel, after you split the Red Sea, after you rescued them from Egyptian tyranny. Many kings and many prophets, many priests just couldn't stop. Man is so sin prone and can't atone for our own problems. Yet in the wilderness, the tempter tried to get you to fall. 3 times, Satan tried, but by the word you resist them all. You overthrew the devil's power, the demonic put to shame. Jesus is our high priest. We got peace because he overcame. Yes, through Christ alone. Yes, through Christ alone. Anyone who's in the Son died too when they hung him on. Overcame when he overcame. Resurrected when he rose. New creation, new humanity. Our insanity was overthrown. Tempted and tried. He the serpent with angel eyes. He saw Christ in the wilderness. He salivated with anxious eyes. He hated him with the same tricks. Turning stone into bread. It's been a while since you've eaten. Has your father left you for dead? Is this the place the friend led you? And all the time he hasn't fed you. You're Messiah, son of God. And somehow he neglects you. He'll protect you. Pull yourself down from the pinnacle of the temple. It's simple. Remember, this is Miracle. Attack of the devil.
I am so tired of just doing. So tired of having my Christian life reduced down to how I perform and what I do. Jesus Christ comes to me. His yoke is easy and his burden is light. And he tells me this: it is not what you do, for I can raise up rocks to do what you do and do better than you do. But it is Paul. The seal I have set upon you, the decree and the hope, is that you be conformed to my image. That you be conformed. That is what he desires. And I submit to you today that all the problems, if not all, most of the problems in your life come from who you're not, from your character, who you are as a person. Our squabbles in our marriages come from fleshly outbursts. They come from not reflecting Jesus Christ. The problem between brothers, the problem in life, the problem, the disruption of our own conscience, everything comes down from we're not putting enough emphasis where emphasis belongs, and it is on becoming like Jesus. Everybody wants to do something when we ought to be wanting to be something.
y'all didn't know, that's called getting crunk. Y'all didn't know you could get crunk for Jesus, huh? That's for all y'all that didn't know. Amen. As we get ready to keep this thing going, I just wanted to make sure y'all having a good time. Is everybody having a good time? So let's see. Is this side over here having a good time? Wait a minute. Wait. Is this side over here having a good time? Oh. What about right here? Y'all having a good time? Amen. That's what I'm talking about. All right, wait. I can't forget about the back. Y'all having a good time back there?
So tight, you need to take that.
All right.